Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. In last section, we will creating a virtual environment and creating a React app and make it up and running. So in this section, we will understanding the file structure of a React app and also discuss how to read a documentation and printing a hello world. So without any delay, let's move forward. In last section we will install a few software Visual Studio Code and Git Bash. So hope you guys install it. If not, then install it. We will use in this section. So move forward. So open the demo folder, right click there and select the Git Bash here. So open the Git Bash here. So now run the ppnv shell. So this may launch our virtual environment launching successfully. So now get inside the folder my React JS. So we are inciting the folder my React.js. So now run our server. So type npm start. It run our server in a localhost 3000. So it is finally done. Hmm. Yeah, it's done. So this is what we see in last section. So open the Visual Studio Code editor. Now that how to use it, it is very simple way. So drag and drop the folder there and let's see what is there inside the folder. So there's few folder like a build, node modules, public, source. You can't touch the build folder, node module. Inside the node module, there is a few packages that we install, and that all packages come inside the node modules. You'd never ever delete these folder. So now check the public. You even don't delete the anything from a public. The source folder we need to delete a few stuff from there like app css, app test, index css, logo, everything we delete from there. So select the file that we selected. So step test.js, this one, this and this, and delete this. Let's take. So finally our app is crashed. Don't worry for that, we will fix it out. So now moving forward, get inside the source and create a few files. So this is an option for creating a file, new file, first one option. So click on this and type route.js. So open route.js and we will also create one more file style.css, style.css. So moving forward, so firstly we get the index.js, open this, delete everything from there, control or and delete, backspace or delete. So now import react from react. So now import react dom from react dom. So now we will open search Google. So search in a Google React.js documentation, reactjs.org, or type React.js. So So let's open the React documentation, go to the documentation, and get to the main concept and check for hello world. So this is a command that we copy or write from there. So let's copy from there. So copy from there and then paste. So there is many things from the advanced JS. There are some things, hooks. We will be exploring everything in upcoming video. So let's move forward. So close the window and remove it from there. Hello world remove. We remove hello world from there. Arrange everything and we will write routes. And let's import the routes firstly. Import routes from routes. So it is finally done. So now we go to routes. So in a routes we create a few things. And before moving forward, we need to install a few packages. So first one is a React Router DOM. So type npm install React Router DOM, React Router dash DOM, and press enter. So I already installed it. So it is finally installed. I already installed it, so it's working. So now check our server. So it is finally done. Now close the window this and now type the RFC. RFC stand for React Functional Component. So and then tab. So this is coming by default. So we need to use some advanced JS. So remove function from there and we use their arrow function. So const routes that's equal to arrow function command, this one, and delete the export default from there and move downward, then type again routes. So let's quickly check what is it done. So it import the React and const it is arrow function command, and after that everything from there that export to the routes, and after the exporting the routes it's come to index.js, and index.js there the file will come, the routes file, that file come from the there. So let's move forward. So we import browser router. So we again search for a Google and check for React Router DOM. Search React ROU DOM. Press enter. The first one, click on the first one. Okay. So wait a minute. Get inside. Go inside this. Check for browser router. So this is a browser router. So this is this is everything. So what is doing the browser router? We importing firstly the browser router, and after the browser router, we get inside this switch, and inside the switch we import the route like this one, React Router DOM. So from where we get this? From where we doing this all things? So let's move to the our code file. So remove this one, change this with a parenthesis. Now the import, firstly we import a browser router. import so it's something is going wrong. So importing browser router from React router DOM and then type switch and the route. So leave from there. Don't worry for error, leave this. So let's quickly move to the check in the app.js. So again remove everything and delete and again type RFC and inside the RFC we will do same step there again const app and equal to arrow function command and cut from there export default paste there type again app. So what is this one? We see there this one a return and this. So let's check with the documentation. So it is basically a React.js introduction of a React.js, our next topic. So it is not a HTML, not a JS. It is a React.js, RJSX. So inside whatever we write inside this is not a JS file. This is not a JS code, and even this is not a HTML code. This is a React.js code. So we call this in a short form React.js JSX. So type of there h1. We print a hello world and type hello world. So typing the hello world after, let's move to the routes and import this hello world. Import the app.js file here. So quickly import this app.js. So app.js importing there. So now moving forward, we call the browser router firstly. So let's verify the browser router, and then after browser router, inside the browser router we call a switch, and inside the switch we call a route. So close the browser router then, and inside the browser router we called a switch, and inside the switch we call a route. Route give the path, by default it is slash and then the component. Inside the component we call a app. So from where the app is coming from importing from there, we import the app from there, and it exporting from there and importing from there. So what is actually happening there? The app, everything from this come out there and run from there with the home index with the slash. So we also write something exact. So it exactly running on that path. So close this one. Now save this. Go to the terminal. So there is something error React DOM and the routes not showing. So let's move to the index. Okay, there is a error. So DOM is a capital and there is a routes. Okay, it's finally now done. So compiling successfully. Congratulations for that. So now moving to the this. refresh again. So finally it's done hello world. So it's done hello world there. And if you want to write any something, let's hello world tech projects, write tech projects. So let's check there again. So yeah, it's done again, tech projects. That is finally working. So if you have any query related to this, ask in a comment section. And if you like the video, hit a like button, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.